All right, what's going on, my friends? In this video, I am going to be trying something in my hopper to try to make it so the pellets do not stick in your hopper. Now, I don't think I've seen anybody else doing this, but I use it on my truck also. So if some crazy reason this don't work, it works awesome on your car and on your truck. And I've used it in my snowblower to help the snow not get stuck in my snowblower. So I really feel like this is going to help because I know I'm going to be able to tell as soon as I spray it on there if it feels pretty much a lot smoother and like glass. There's some people out there using this, how do you say it, carabiner, something like that, some kind of wax. And I'll put some of that wax down in the description of all the other people that are using it, so you could get that and just wipe that wax on there. But I really believe this ceramic coating will also work. And I know when I put this on my truck, it lasts a good 6 months, maybe even longer, depending on how much it rains on my truck. So I almost think you could put this on every 1.5 tons, maybe even once a season, and this would help you. I got to get all my pellets out of here so I can spray down the sides, and I know right off the bat I'm going to be able to tell because it'll feel real nice and smooth like when you're done waxing your car. So let me get the pellets out of here. And if you are one of my subscribers, watch being subscribed to my channel, because it seems like as soon as I upload a video, I automatically lose 1 subscriber every time. I think it's something that YouTube does. I don't know why, but it seems like they automatically get rid of 1 of my subscribers. Watch out, girl. All right, there is inside my hopper. Let me get a light. All right, you already seen me vacuum this out, so that got out all the dust. Let me feel. I mean, mine kind of also feels a little sticky. If you have other ways of making these sides smoother, please put that down in the comments, because that's also going to help other people out. But I'm just going to take this ceramic spray, and now this is made by Turtle Wax, but I bought this right at Walmart. I'll put a link to this down in the comments if you want to order this off of Amazon. Let that sit there a second. I'm just going to take some paper towels. If you have like a microfiber cloth, you could also use that. That's what it says to use in the directions, but I use that when I do my car and truck. I'll also do this back wall. Now I think I'm going to just try to let that dry for maybe 15-20 minutes, and then maybe even put another coat on. All right, I put a little heater right here, and I shut my door just a little bit just to speed the drying process up. Probably could just let it sit like that for maybe 5 minutes or so, and it should dry that right up. All right, it feels pretty dry. I'm going to put a second coat on. One thing I think I'm going to do, I didn't do with that first coat though. I think I'm going to put a paper towel right down in this little hole. So I don't get that all, so I don't get that all wet down in there. You don't really need that much of this. Turn my heater back on. Now I think maybe I'll let that sit for, I don't know, a good 10 minutes if you want to go a little longer, just to make sure that's real good and dry. And we'll put some pellets back in. All right, if you had like a paper towel down in that hole, don't forget to take it out, because you're going to have a problem if not. I have to say it definitely feels smoother. I pretty much knew it was going to feel smoother. It's just like putting it on your car, like waxing your car. It's a ceramic coat, so I really think that would work as good as this wax. I'm gonna put that wax down in the description and the ceramic coat down in the description. And like I said, if some reason you think it don't work, it works awesome on your car and truck. Definitely know there's no way they'll stick on mine. Might as well load her up while I got her open. All right, well, there you have it. Hopefully that helps some of you guys out. And also right here, a picture on the screen. Others are saying to use Mother's Carnauba cleaner wax. I'm not really sure how you say that, but I'll put a link to that down in the description. Now, both of these, you could probably just go to Walmart and buy them if you want. I make a real tiny little small commission off of Amazon if you do click on that link. That helps support my channel. But if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment also down below if you know any other ways to help inside your hopper so your pellets do not stick. God bless and have a great day.